this video, we are going to see about the mitochondrial DNA, which is very important sort of DNA. From the name itself, we can find that it was found to be present in mitochondria. Mitochondria is a region where the mitochondrial DNA or mtDNA, it can be abbreviated as mtDNA. Mitochondrial DNA or mtDNA is present in the mitochondria. Before that, we should know what is mitochondria. In the cell, as we know, cells are a group of cells makes the tissues. The tissues are going to make an organ. The organ is going to make an organ system, which is a organism. So here the cells are going to be a unit for this formation. So the cells are going to consist of cell organelles. There are many cell organelles. Among them, an important organ is going to be known as mitochondria. Mitochondria is known to be important organelle because it is going to be known as a powerhouse of a cell. It is known as powerhouse of a cell because it produces ATP, which is a currency for the cell. So, it included in ATP production through many biochemical processes. Biochemical metabolism, many of the biochemical metabolism are going to be taken place within the mitochondria. So in this mitochondria, in each and every mitochondria, there will be a presence of mitochondrial DNA. A number of mitochondrial DNA may changes for each mitochondria. It is not like a cell which consists of only one sort of chromosome, which is compacted by many DNA sequences. But in the mitochondria, there is an empty DNA, that is mitochondrial DNA. The copy number may differ. So we are going to see about the mitochondrial DNA in this video. So here we are going to see about the mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondrial unique characteristics of a mitochondrial DNA is a mammalian mitochondrial DNA can carry a DNA from one generation to another generation, like a DNA, a normal DNA in a cell, which is going to carry from one gene to another generation. Like that, a mammalian DNA can also transmit the mitochondrial DNA from one family gene line to another generation. This is known as a mitochondrial DNA characteristics. A main characteristic is it can transmit a DNA from one gene line within a single family gene line. That is, generation after generation it gets transmitted off. Next, a main characteristics is a mitochondrial DNA is going to be not found as a linear, not found to be a helix. It is going to be present as a circular chromosome. It is not like a DNA as helical structure. A mitochondrial DNA is going to be found as a circular chromosome, where the DNA is going to be sequenced into a chromosome in the circular format. It is not like a DNA which is like helical in structure. So next, a mitochondrial DNA location. A location of mitochondrial DNA is going to be present inside the mitochondria, particularly in the matrix of the mitochondria, where it gets attached to the inner membrane to the matrix is the location of the mitochondrial DNA. Next, this mitochondrial DNA is going to be a small portion of DNA in a eukaryotic cell. That means a small portion of mitochondria is going to have a mitochondrial DNA, which means it is a very small unit in the eukaryotic cell. But in the bacterial cells, but in the other cells, this mitochondrial DNA is going to have a larger area. in plant cell or other cells are going to have this mitochondrial DNA in the higher manner. That is, its portion is going to be more than the eukaryotic cell. That means then an animal cell, a plant cell has a higher content, where the prokaryotic cell has more mitochondrial DNA than others. Like that, it will differs. Where the eukaryotic cell has lesser portion of mitochondrial DNA. It was located in the mitochondrial matrix and between the inner membrane. Next, we are going to see about the forms of mitochondrial DNA. The mitochondrial DNA is going to be, as we said, it was circular in manner. It is not like a double helical structure of a DNA. It is circular in a manner. It is going to be circular in a manner as compacted chromosome. A DNA is compacted to chromosome in a circular manner. And also, this circular manner is not as a single stranded, it is a double stranded. Like a DNA, it is a double stranded but circular in manner. It was compacted in circular in manner, not as a helical manner. And it was closed circle, not a open circle. It is a closed circle, it is double stranded and circular in manner. In plants and protists, a mitochondrial DNA is found to be superhelical twist. In animals like humans and other animals are going to have a mitochondrial DNA in a circular manner as double stranded. But in the plants or other protists, it is going to be double stranded, but it was as a superhelical twist, like a helical structure. In unicellular organism, that is lesser than the protists and plants, it is going to be a more amount than a multicellular organism. As we said before that, eukaryotes are going to have a lesser portion of mitochondrial DNA, but prokaryotes or other are going to have a larger portion of mitochondrial DNA. And in the unicellular organism and some of the multicellular organisms are also going to have a linear form. As we said that in the animals, it is going to be, in general, a mitochondrial DNA is double stranded, but in the animals, it is going to be circular compacted chromosome. But in the case of plants and protists, it is going to be found as a superhelical structure. But in the case of unicellular or some of the multicellular organism, it is going to be found as a linear form. This is the forms of mitochondrial DNA. Next, we are going to see about the size of the mitochondrial DNA. As we said, the eukaryotes are going to have a lesser portion of mitochondrial DNA. So, in human, the mitochondrial DNA, in animal cells or human cell, the mitochondrial DNA are going to be found as a 5 to 6 μm with 16 kilobase pairs of DNA. But in the case of plant cell, it is going to occupy more than the animal cell, that is 100 kilobase pairs, whereas in the animal cells it is 16 kilos. But in the plant cell it is 100 kilobase pairs with the length of 62 μm. As the base pair increases, the length also increases to 62 μm. In the plants also we have saw before, the plants is going to have, plants and protists are going to have in the superhelical structure. As the DNA is going to be at the length of 62 μm and 100 kilobase pairs, it is going to be found as a superhelical structure. But in human and animal cell, it is 16 kilobase pairs and 5 to 6 μm in length. But mitochondrial DNA is going to be less in length than, that is, it is going to be smaller than the DNA of bacteria or viruses. As we know, the bacteria and viruses are also going to consist of a DNA. but the DNA of bacteria or viruses are lengther than the mitochondrial DNA in other organisms. Next, we are going to see about a number of DNA molecules. As we said before, a number of mitochondrial DNA differs in the mitochondria. The number differs, this number differences was designated as copy number. Has a mitochondria may consist of many mitochondrial DNA. It can be, the copy number can be identified based on the size of the mitochondria. If the size of the mitochondria is bigger, then the mitochondrial DNA is also have higher amount. But if the size of the mitochondria is small, then the size uh, mitochondrial DNA copy number is also going to be decreased off. A eukaryotic cell number of mitochondrial DNA is going to be proportional to the number of mitochondria. So, in adult human, about 10 power 7 mitochondrial DNA are going to be present. But in the metazoans, it is going to be more lesser, about 1000 to 10,000 mitochondrial DNA. But in the trypanosome, it is going to be present as the 10,000 mitochondrial DNA, which is higher than the metazoans. So, based on the mitochondrial size, a mitochondrial DNA copy number is going to be differed of.